problem is our economy is slowing down.
열심히 일하지만 빚에 허덕이는 아치볼드 가족.
John? Honey, what's wrong?
Hey! What the hell are you doing? What's it look like?
오늘은 결국 차까지 압류당했습니다.
What's going on?
그 탓에 오늘 아침도 말다툼으로 시작하는 부부.
I'm down to 20 hours at the plant. You tell me, what do you want me to do?
What do you want me to say? You want me to say it's fine? All right, it's fine.
Yeah!
하지만 재롱둥이 아들 마이크의 등장에 응어리는 눈 녹듯이 사라집니다.
Hey, Dad, I got $46 I saved for my allowance. You can have it if you want.
Yeah?
아직 어린 아들의 마음이 고맙기만 한 존.
You earn that money, so you keep it, okay?
All right, see you later.
Bye, Mike.
Not goodbye. See you later.
All right, see you later. Mike.
Yeah, baby!
공장에서의 고된 일과를 마치고 빚을 갚기 위해 부업을 구하려는 존은 친구와 함께 면접장으로 향합니다.
It's a friggin' waste of time. 400 people for one job. Give me a break.
지독한 불경기를 방증하는 듯한 경쟁률.
Archibald.
Yes.
John.
I've been working heavy machinery for 15 years.
존은 열심히 자신을 어필해보지만
Frankly, you may be overqualified.
400대 1의 경쟁률에는 속수무책이었습니다. 오늘은 아들의 야구 경기가 있는 날. 안타를 치고 달려나가는 마이크. 그런데 이미 의식이 없는 마이크. 구급차를 기다릴 시간은 없습니다.
I don't know what happened. He fell over.
I need a doctor right away, please.
병원에서 응급처치를 받는 마이크. 덕분에 의식은 곧 되찾지만
How you doing, Slugger?
간호사에게서 불길한 이야기를 듣습니다.
We can't have him going below 70 again. 70 and below, he's in heart failure.
커다란 회의실에서 설명을 듣는 부부.
There are septal defects. So as you can see, Michael's heart is approximately 3 times larger than normal size. Basically, there's not enough blood being pumped by Michael's heart, so it backs up in the lungs like a sponge getting wet.
He's going to need a transplant or he's going to die.
청천벽력과 같은 소식. 하지만 비보는 거기서 끝이 아니었으니
Transplant surgery, doctor's fees, post-operative care, immunosuppressant drugs, you're looking at a minimum of $250,000. It's expensive for you, it's expensive for us. Now, I'm sorry, but you're going to have to guarantee payment before we can put a patient's name on a receiver's list.
How much?
What kind of down payment?
30%. $75,000.
$75,000.
바로 집기부터 팔아치우는 존. 교회에서 기부도 받고 결혼 반지까지 팔아치우지만 금액은 턱없이 모자랍니다. 마침내 차까지 팔아버렸지만 그에겐 믿는 구석이 있었으니 온갖 지리멸렬한 전문 용어와 씨름하며 작성한 보험 청구 서류입니다. 그런데
Mr. Archibald, unfortunately, there are some restrictions, and that has a maximum payout limit of $20,000.
What? You kidding me, right? I mean, come on. I've been paying into this policy for years. If I'm not covered, I got a serious problem.
I understand that, but there's nothing I can do.
지푸라기라도 잡는 심정으로 연방 복지과를 찾은 존. 하지만 역시나
No, you don't qualify.
My son is dying. I'm broke. If I don't qualify, who the hell does?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry? I don't need you to be sorry. I need you to help me.
결국 돈을 구하지 못한 존에게 병원의 비정한 통보가 전해집니다.
They are releasing Mike this
Wait,
morning.
they said, I'll take care of it.
John, you always take care of everything. Now you need to do something. Do you hear me? Do something.
결의에 찬 표정으로 병원으로 향한 존.
Can I talk to you?
Yes, sure.
터너 박사의 인정에 호소하려는 걸까요?
My wife, Denise, says you're going to send Michael home. Is that true?
I'm afraid so.
That's $75 million worth of heart surgeries, and you're telling me you can't do one for me in good faith. Not one.
John, I've done everything I can do. I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Let's go inside and talk about it.
asking you anymore, doctor. I'm telling you, you are gonna give my son a new heart. You understand me?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
이제 응급실을 점거하는 존.
If you do this, you're on an irreversible course of action. You understand that?
That guy's got a gun! Hey! Hey!
혼비백산하여 도망치는 사람들.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Sit on your hands over there. Get over there.
미처 도망치지 못한 사람들을 인질 삼아 농성에 돌입할 준비를 합니다.
Wait a minute, I got a pregnant wife here.
Mr. Archibald, these people have nothing to do with this. You have got to let them go. They need treatment.
Yeah, well, this is a hospital. You're a doctor. Why don't you treat him? Start with him. What's the matter, doctor? You want to see his insurance card first?
All right, hey, the hospital's under new management now. Yeah, from now on, free health care for everybody.
Oh, righteous, man. Appreciate. I never got.
Here we go.
순식간에 포위되는 병원.
Lieutenant, this guy's in for the long haul. Right. He's locked down the ER, barricaded himself in.
Now, who's in charge here?
Rebecca Payne, sir. He's at home. It's his day off.
Not anymore, it ain't.
It's Saturday, sir.
So what? People get sick on Saturday, don't they?
This is the police department. Please pick up the walkie-talkie.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Lieutenant Frank Grimes of the Chicago Police Department.
You the man in charge?
That's right.
Well, who am I speaking to?
John. Q.
All right, John Q.
Now let's get down to it. Now what
Exactly is it that you want?
You find Rebecca Payne.
Hope Memorial's administrative supervisor.
You find her, you tell her I want my kid's name on the donors list.
You got that?
I'm gonna jot that down, Rebecca Payne, right?
All right.
사건이 점점 더 주목을 받게 되자 현장엔 경찰서장까지 등장합니다.
Hey, how you doing, man? Everything good?
언론을 의식한 그는 강경 진압을 원하는데
A little early for the heavy artillery, isn't it? All right, let's just end this quick and quiet. I don't need a babysitter on this, Gus. It's under control. Right? Why don't you just relax?
밖의 상황도 모른 채 존은 인질들과 거기를 달랩니다.
You know what I don't understand is why they never found it, the doctors.
My son has had clean checkups every year since the day he was born.
How could the doctors not pick it up?
He might not have been tested thoroughly enough.
Why not?
You got an HMO, right?
Yeah.
Well, there's your answer. I mean, HMOs pay their doctors not to test. That's their way of keeping costs down. All right, let's say Mike did need additional testing, and insurance says they won't cover them. The doctor keeps his mouth shut, and come Christmas, the HMO sends the doctor a fat-ass bonus check.
Is that true?
Possible.
You telling me that these doctors may have known what was wrong with my son and that they could have treated him?
Who knows? I don't know, John.
Don't take this personal, Doc. Y'all a bunch of goddamn crooks.
All right, look, I'll tell you what the problem is, okay? On one hand, you got your insurance companies, right?
He doesn't know.
Basically, either want you healthy or dead. That's how they make their money. On the other hand, you got your medical establishments, your doctors, your pharmaceutical companies. They don't want you healthy or dead. They want you sick, because that's how they make their money.
It's all about getting paid, ain't it, Doc?
That is just bullshit. That is just stupid.
So we got brothers walking around, going to jail for jaywalking tickets while these real criminals sitting up here getting
Well,
paid.
I'm a criminal.
Most definitely, Doc.
You're a drug dealer. You're calling me a criminal.
Game recognized game.
What is that? Was it like a ghetto thing? Game? What is that?
What the hell are you asking me for?
I wasn't asking you. You just happened to be next
All
to
right,
me.
look,
okay?
all right, look. The bottom line is this, okay? The individual is caught in the middle of a gigantic tug of war, and at the end of the day, people don't get the treatment they deserve.
Yeah, that's all it's about. It's just money.
You think this is funny? It's not, okay? This shit happens all the time. Paramedics bring in some accident victim, gasping for his last breath, and when the big boys in accounting find out they can't pay, they send him packing.
You're just ridiculous. What are you, a communist?
Yeah, I'm a communist, okay.
Hospitals can't turn people away.
Of course not. It's just...
Isn't there laws against that?
Yeah, there are laws, but there's also ways around those laws. Technicalities, loopholes. The only thing we have to do is stabilize them and we're off the hook, and you know it.
Is that how you paid for that Armani suit there, Doc, huh?
Well, you just threw like food at me? You what? Shut up! All right? Enough already, okay? I have heard all the bitching and moaning and griping I can stand for one day, okay? Hey, newsflash, we all know the system sucks. But some of us got into medicine to do something about it. I break my ass every single day trying to make a difference. Trying to plug the dam. Huh? I'm in it up to my elbows every single day. I see people live when they shouldn't, and I see it the other way around. So don't you tell me about doctors, because I'm the last stop between you and 6 feet under. And when I say I do my best, yeah, I took an oath, and I mean it. So if you all want to regard me as some kind of blood-sucking vampire, then fine. Great. I'll be the bad guy.
Too late for that.
임산부의 진통이 점점 심해지자 존은 그녀를 포함해 아픈 몇 명을 풀어주기로 하는데
Hello? Hello. I'm gonna let some of the hostages go.
That's great, John. That's the right thing.
But when I do, the clock starts, you understand?
What's your name?
What the hell is going on?
You know this man?
His name is John Archibald. He has a son here in ICU.
It's 4:15. You got 1 hour. You got till 5:15. You understand, Frank?
If my boy's not on that list by 5:15,
Somebody in here's gonna die.
John, don't be stupid.
5:15, Frank. 5:15. Something happens for me.
Got it.
You're a cop. Call the coroner.
You give in to this guy, there's going to be guns in every hospital in the country. I'm faced with decisions like this every single day. People get sick, they die. That's the way it goes.
Why don't we just tell him his son's name's on the list? How's he gonna know anyway?
한편 나갈 사람을 준비시키는 존. 그런데
Yeah, that's a very tough guy. Baby, get the gun!
그러나 총이 아닌 스프레이를 잡은 줄리. 그리곤 남자친구에게 냅다 뿌려버립니다. 데이트 폭력을 제대로 되갚아준 줄리였습니다. 작은 반란이 끝나고 드디어 풀려나는 인질들.
The gunman has just freed several hostages.
어느새 병원 주인은 언론과 그를 응원하는 사람들로 가득 찼습니다.
Could you give us any information about the other patients in the hospital? Is there any plan to evacuate?
Well, Tom, in a statement issued a few moments ago, Rebecca Payne assured that none of the patients had been injured. The police have sealed off the emergency room, and the gunman cannot gain access to the rest of the hospital. The police have also blocked up the area immediately around Hope Memorial and are not allowing anyone in or out.
Sounds like a very volatile situation.
It is, Tom, but Chief Monroe maintained the police will do whatever is necessary to preserve the lives and safety of these hostages.
Thanks for that, Tuck. Now on to the weather.
So, what now? What's the plan?
Mitch.
No. I mean, every day you read about this kind of stuff. Now here we are, right in the middle of it. To those guys, you're just another nut job with a gun. Hey, I understand that your kid is sick. I really do. But what makes him better than me? Huh? I got a life.
You got insurance too, Mitch.
So what, you're gonna shoot me? You're gonna shoot me because that's what you're telling the cops. If poor Mikey doesn't get the very first heart available, we all die.
I'm not trying to cheat anybody, okay? I just want my son to have a fair shot.
So what's the plan? Stan? I mean, how much longer are you planning on keeping us in here? Till your son gets a new heart?
I don't know.
That's what you're telling the cops. Well, think about it. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, Doctor, but it doesn't happen that easy. It takes months, it takes years sometimes to find the right heart. How's it gonna end, John? What's your move?
I got no moves, okay? I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm waiting on a miracle, okay?
Mrs. Archibald.
존의 범행을 전해 듣는 아내 데니스.
I never thought.
그런데 그때 레베카 페인이 거짓말을 합니다.
I've decided to put Michael's name on the recipient list. The hospital will pay for everything.
Oh, God. Thank you.
이게 어떻게 된 일인지 묻기 위해 프랭크는 서장을 찾는데 서장이 이미 존의 사살 결정을 내렸다는 것을 전해 듣습니다.
You son of a bitch, you're going behind my back! What do you want from me, Frank? What do you want? Look at the clock. The guy said at a quarter after, he's gonna start killing people. So you kill him. I could live with one dead bad guy. What I can't live with is one innocent person being hurt. Not one. Not on my watch. He's not a wacko, Gus. He's married with a family. No history of mental illness. No radical political views. I mean, he doesn't fit the profile.
He's got a gun, he's got hostages that he's threatening to kill. That's a profile.
Jesus Christ, Gus, come on. I mean, I get it. Now, there's certain people in this world that are creeps. They're wired wrong, and they have to go down. But let me tell you, this guy's okay.
Frank, do you like everybody?
No, I don't like everybody.
Listen to me. Maybe you're right. Maybe he's bluffing. Maybe he's a nice guy with just a problem. Maybe he's misunderstood, and he's just blowing off some steam. It's possible, right? Maybe. But I can't depend on that. This asshole's raised the stakes real high, and I gotta match him in case he's not bluffing. And we've got 5 minutes, Frank. I've got a chance to end this right now, and I'm taking it.
You're making a mistake. Well, we try harder. Yeah. Well, I want to be on the record, Gus.
Frank, you can be on whatever you want, okay? All right, now please, sit down, put some cans on, relax. You're so emotional. I wonder why you never moved up. Come on, here.
Are you with the wife? All right, let's patch it through.
This better be good, Frank. Denise?
Baby. Payne just left here. Mikey's name is on the list. Baby, you did it.
Oh, this is great, baby.
환기구를 통해 침투를 시작하는 저격수. 희소식에 경계가 느슨해진 존을 처치하려는 계획입니다.
Hey, baby. How's Mikey doing? Can I talk to him?
그런데 그 순간
We got it! Boss, we got it!
We got it?
The video's online.
한 방송국에서 병원 카메라를 해킹했습니다.
This is Tuck Lampley live at Hope Memorial Hospital.
전국으로 생중계되기 시작하는 병원 내부 상황.
No, you're not gonna die. Of course not.
그것을 알 턱이 없는 경찰 측은
On your command.
사살 명령을 내리고 마는데 힘없이 쓰러지는 존. 그때 천장 석고보드가 무너져 내리고 존은 다시 일어섭니다.
Sir. Not now. No, sir, it's the mayor, sir. And we better kill this video feed. The press hacked into our signal, and this whole thing just went out live over national television.
You gonna bust me?
Out of here.
Get real. You just shot an innocent man on primetime TV.
존이 모습을 드러내자 환호하는 사람들. 여론은 이제 완전히 그의 팬입니다.
Where's Grudge? I want to see Frank Grudge.
Hold your fire!
You lied to me, Lieutenant. I gave you your hostages, but you didn't call me back. What is this?
What did you think would happen?
When people are sick, they deserve a little help.
Yeah!
Sick help. Sick help. I am not gonna bury my son. My son is gonna bury me. I want my son. You give me my boy, I give you your sniper. You bring my son, I give up. You bring me my son.
그렇게 응급실로 이송되는 마이크.
Let's go.
Where have you been, Dad?
Just waiting on you, buddy. How you doing, Slugger?
Okay. Tired.
Al.
What?
I need some time to examine Mike. And I don't need you getting in the way. It's crowded enough in here.
I'll stay in the corner.
I'm serious, John. Let me do my job.
Bless me, Father, for I've sinned. You know, it's been a while, so, you know, I'm rusty. I know you do things your own way. But I don't understand. What make Mike so sick? Huh?
Yeah, kid. Yeah, I am.
Where have you been?
And I keep waiting for you to step in, help him, but you don't do it. And I don't understand. Just help me. Wow.
John. We're in trouble, John. Without a new heart, he's not gonna make it.
Okay. Take mine.
What?
그의 결단에 깜짝 놀라는 사람들.
Man, that means you'll be dead.
And my son will live.
It's out of the question. Too risky. No.
Doc, I'm telling you, he will make it.
Can't do it, John.
Please, I'm just begging you. Step outside the rules.
I'd like to, John. I really would. But what you're asking crosses the line. It is completely unethical.
그러자 그는 다시 협박합니다.
All right, I don't give a damn.
You gonna shoot me if I don't operate?
I'm gonna kill myself.
이번엔 자신의 목숨을 가지고 말입니다.
All right.
주변의 만류에도 불구하고 의사는 목숨을 건 존의 결심을 받아들입니다.
If there's a heart available, then we're not gonna let it go to waste. Doctor, Mr. McGuire, let's get ready for surgery.
아들과 마지막 시간을 갖는 존.
Hey, Mike. How you doing, buddy?
Hey, Dad.
Mike, just try to stay awake just for a minute, okay? I just need to tell you a few things.
Okay, Dad.
You always listen to your mother. You tell her you love her every day.
Okay, Dad.
When you say you're gonna do something, when you say you're gonna do something, you do it. Don't smoke. Be kind to people. You stay away from the bad things, son. There's so many great things out there for you. I'll never leave you. I'm always with you. Right there. I love you, son. I'll see you later. Okay, let's do it.
이제 담담히 자신의 마지막을 준비하는 존. 그런데 총알이 단 한 개입니다.
Wait a minute. You telling me that gun was empty the whole time?
Yeah, I'm old talk. The only one ever considered killing was me.
그런데 그 시각 병원에 한 팩스가 도착합니다.
Oh, my sweet Jesus.
Miss Payne! Miss Payne!
Yeah.
You get a match. Be positive. Michael William Archibald.
Wait, Dad.
하지만 이미 존은
Jesus. The safety's on.
기적을 손에 들고 달리는 아내.
The heart is here! What an unbelievable ending to this incredible, tumultuous day!
무사히 풀려나는 인질들과 순순히 투항하는 존.
He appears to be surrendering. It's all over.
존은 체포되어 경찰차에 오릅니다. 그런데 프랭크의 눈에 띈 것은 존이 아니었습니다. 다행히도 성공적으로 끝난 이식 수술. 부부는 비로소 뜨거운 포옹을 나눕니다. 시간이 흘러 3개월 후 선고를 받기 위해 재판정에 들어서는 존.
Has the jury reached a verdict?
We have, Your Honor.
살인미수와 총기 소지 범죄 행위에 대해서는 무죄를 받지만
The kidnapping and false imprisonment, we find the defendant guilty.
그렇게 탄식과 함께 폐정되는 법정.
I'm so proud of you.
You're right, Slugger. You take good care of your mother, okay?
Hey, Dad. Goodbye.
It's not goodbye, son. See you later.
그렇게 구치소로 연행되는 한 가정의 영웅을 비추며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 영화 존 큐는 희귀병에 걸린 아들을 구하기 위해 어쩔 수 없는 선택을 내린 아버지를 통해 그를 그렇게까지 몰아세운 잘못된 제도를 비판하고 있습니다. 20년도 넘은 2002년 제작된 작품으로 그 당시에도 미국의 보험제도가 악명 높았다는 것을 알 수 있게 해주는 영화였습니다. 주인공 존은 우여곡절 끝에 해피엔딩을 맞게 되지만 사실 원래 시나리오는 새 심장이 온 사실을 아내가 알리기 전에 존이 먼저 방아쇠를 당기는 것이었다고 합니다. 2시간의 러닝타임이 허무하게 느껴질 엔딩이었겠네요. 또한 새 심장을 받았지만 수술이 실패하여 마이크가 죽는 시나리오도 있었습니다.
Thank you. Go into a restaurant, right?
Blood pressure's dropping.
More volume, Vic.
100 cc's.
Everything. What are you doing here? Geez, like a roller coaster here. Come on, stabilize this here. Can
I'm
you
trying.
stabilize this?
Look, I'm trying.
Trying.
Back
Good
up.
enough.
Just,
Okay.
I'm gonna vent.
Come on, Ampavepi right now.
We're desaturated.
What are you doing?
Blood pressure is still dropping.
He's crashing, Doctor. What do you...
Okay, get him back on pump. I know he's crashing. Get him back on pump.
There's air in the lines. I can't...
Well, clear the air.
I can't...
He's fibrillating, Doctor.
Paddles. Charge.
Charging.
Clear.
No pulse.
Come on, goddammit, people, let's go. I am not gonna lose this boy. Come on.
영화가 해피엔딩으로 끝나서 정말 다행이라는 생각이 듭니다. 자식을 위한 부모님의 사랑과 당시 보험제도의 불합리함을 조금이나마 느껴볼 수 있는 영화 존 큐 추천드리며 지금까지 영삼시네였습니다.